Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Python 3, 10 or newer and creating a virtual environment. This isolates dependencies. Next, install core packages, OpenAI or Transformers for models and Flask or FastAPI for an API. Once installed, get an API key from your model provider and store it in a env file as OpenAI API key. Make sure to load it with python.env. These steps give you a contained, secure base to prototype the assistant immediately. Now implement the core. Write a simple API wrapper that sends prompts, handles rate limits, and retries. This prevents silent failures. Then build a conversation manager to store context, manage turn history, and apply prompts or system messages. This keeps replies coherent. Next, create endpoints, a post/chat that accepts user input and returns JSON, and a get/health for basic status. Once done, you can iterate on prompts and parameters to refine behavior. Finish by hardening your assistant. Add structured logging, input validation, and simple rate limiting to protect quotas. Then containerize with Docker or deploy to a small host so you can test real users. Make sure to include safety filters and a fallback reply for unknown queries. If things break, check logs for API errors and validate your env key, often clearing cache tokens or increasing timeout resolves silent hangs. Start there before deeper debugging.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.